The dispute between the county government of Bomet and the Kenya prisons on the relocation of a dump site to another parcel of land is almost coming to a close following the arbitration by the Intergovernmental Relations Technical Committee led by its chairperson, Kethenji Kirago. At a meeting held in Bomet town after a site visit to the disputed land, the two parties, that's Bomet County and the Kenya prisons, resolved to resurvey the land within a week and carve out 10.3 acres of land as appears in the 2001 physical plan of the then municipality for prisons to continue farming on the land and the remaining parcel to be apportioned for development of affordable housing and a dump site.
That the prisons need to continue farming, but they will continue to farm in a parcel of land of 10.3 acres.
We were able to resolve this issue in the shortest possible time. And now we have a way forward, at least better way forward for the progression on the affordable housing program. That was the main stumbling block, actually. The dispute that appeared to be bigger was resolved within half an hour, courtesy to the chair of the IGRTC.
So we've been able to discuss, we've been also able to visit the land, and the commissioners led by the chairman have been able to appreciate what we've been saying. Otherwise, I'm very happy that we are coming together as national and county government.
Still on land disputes of